In this video, I'm going to talk to you about some changes that we're seeing in the development community. In the past, and even today, we still do some of the same basic things. We check our code into a code repository, and from that code repository, it is built, a lot of times automatically. And then it follows a normal process of building the code, creating artifacts that then get pushed up into a staging repository. And then from that staging repository, I'm taking binaries or images, putting it into a test environment where I'm running unit level tests. And then when those pass, I run additional like user acceptance tests. And when all the tests have passed to the criteria I've established, I push them up into a golden repository. And from that golden repository, I can deliver products. Now, it used to be that I delivered products on DVDs or CDs, but now I do it instantaneously on the web. All of these steps in here is what we term today a code pipeline. Now, each step in that code pipeline runs in specific environments, and each environment has a little bit different bend to it. Like on your local environment, that could be running on a laptop. A development environment could be a development cloud where I integrate all the code of all the developers. I have a test environment, and then now I have production environments because I'm hosting most of my things as a SaaS offering or up in the cloud. Now, what's unique about today is I have new applications that are using microservices. So instead of one application, there's several different moving parts to it. So in my local box, I may just have 3 services running, but in development, I may have a bunch of services running from all the different developers. And then when I move into test, I may add additional services that monitor and do debugging and profiling of my application. And then when I get to production, it can become even more complicated, as now I need high availability databases, I need high availability message queues, I need compliance and audit logging. All those play an important part of making the system whole. Now, all of this is also compounded by where do I run all this stuff? Where do I run all these services? Well, I run them in a cloud. Well, it's not just any cloud. Nowadays, we have multi-hybrid clouds. So as you can see, I need to come up with a solution that can handle all the complexity that is in today's modern development of applications.